Going to talk about doing wiring on a Ventra Pro to an expansion station. So in this case we've got a 12-channel expansion station that we're showing right here with the wiring that goes to the expand connections. The two wires that we can see here, the red going to the data plus, the black going to the data minus. We don't have anything terminated on the ground. In the case of shielded cable like this is signal wire, in this case like 22 gauge wire, it'll run to the Ventra Pro and we'll ground it at just one end of the shielded cable, so the drain wire will get terminated there, and we can show that after a bit. So that's the proper way there. We did about a 1/4 inch strip on each wire, made sure we didn't get on the actual jacket, and tighten those down in this case. And as is shown, the wires coming out the side of the unit, we don't run it with the AC lines, and that'll go over to the main unit, the main Ventra Pro that we'll be using. The other thing that goes with an expansion station is, now that we've hooked up this extra unit, we'll need to also make sure that on the expansion station front board that we actually set the dip switches correctly to address it. So we're going to take a look at that here just briefly. The dip switches on this one are shown. The proper way to do this will flash up a graphic, but in this case I wanted it to be station 3 because I already used another expansion. This will be the second expansion, and the main unit's number 1. So in order to do 3, we end up setting the first, the third, and fourth dip switch to off, as is shown here on the circuit board, and then having the number 2 one on, which would be a binary 2, or in this case station number 3, which is the way we'd assign it in the controller.